हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपकी ये रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। टुडे आई एम गोना रिएक्ट ऑन अ बीएल ट्रेलर फ्रॉम डीएमडी। लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। द सीरीज नेम इज Duang with You series. ये official trailer है and I don't know the actors, and because I don't know much people from this company other than Gigi and Nunu, and I just watched the trailer of that DMD friendship. Let's see what kind of series this company produce and what kind of series this is. Let's see. Oh, I think this is kind of, a musical theme. Ah, this is cute. I'm finding both of them pretty. They are so pretty. First of all, this one, what is the name of this actor? He's so pretty. True, he's so cute. And you are cute too, baby. I'm loving it. I think I'm gonna love it because this is kind of my kind of vibe. Excuse me. ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि मतलब ये सिंगर है वो मतलब जो कह रहा था जिस मतलब इसको कि बहुत क्यूट है वो इसका फैन है और ही जस्ट वांट हिम काइंड ऑफ स्टोरी लाइन. I think this is kind of funny. I love when series have comedy in it. His friends are so hilarious. Okay, what is happening here? He said my buddy likes you. No, baby, you like him. What you are doing? Ah, this is so funny. First he said like my buddies like you, and then he's like my name is Buddy. Ah, this is so funny. He's like, I'm gonna win your heart. I'm not asking for your permission. This is like, क्या बात है भाई? You need to ask permission before going through it. Before you have to pursue somebody. But I think in an indirect way he's already telling him and asking for the permission, so we cannot say anything about it. This green t-shirt one is so head over heels toward that singer. Okay, he comes up with a plan to win Vin's heart. Why it is kind of grumpy and sunshine kind of duo that that person who is chasing him is so sunshine and this person is so grumpy. He come. He's so cute. Why you don't want it? Like he comes with such a good snacks and so many snacks. If it is me, I would be taking it. Of course, the lover boy not gonna give up. I'm loving the vibe of this whole series. It have comedy, it have drama, it have like beauty, prettiness, and fun. इन दोनों के बीच की जो केमिस्ट्री है ना, that is so good. I am feeling like it's gonna be a heartbreak now. Are you still mad? See baby how this sunshine is treating you. Please melt out. See his eyes. Of course you will get it. But is that having you there is enough, bro? I think he's melting. This series is kind of, whole package. I'm loving it. And the trailer is so well directed. I think DMD produced kind of good series. Their trailer of DMD Friendship, then Cutie Pie was a good series, and now this, it is good. Like their whole scale of producing it so good. They have matching pajamas now. Okay, so they are going on dates or what? Dancing together. I loved it. Like, the whole progress of them as their couple or maybe going to dates is so, hilarious and serious and funny at the same time. I love their matching pajamas. They're looking like a couple. Usually, I don't mind who is top and bottom, but in this, I want to know. So, tell me what is their couple, dynamics. I do want them to be a switch couple. It's funny. The way he's saying you don't have to wear any underwear. What do you mean? Don't have to wear any underwear. Okay, so this was the whole trailer, I think. Zhuang with You, the series. So I loved it. It was funny. It was kind of mind blowing, and I was so shocked with the whole, vibe this was giving to me. I loved it. This is kind of my kind of vibe. I love the stories and the trailers and the BLs when they have the fun and element in it. And this story have total fun, drama, friendship, and everything. I'm totally excited about it. If you want me to react on the episodes of this series, so please comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel so I can know you are liking the content. Comment if you want me to react and want me to do anything on this channel so we all can have fun together. Share the video to your fellow BL watchers. And I love you all. Bye bye, babies.